Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable remote desktop connection on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable remote desktop connection on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, now click on System. In left pane, scroll down and the last option is About. Click on About. Here in right side you will find Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on Remote tab. Here make sure the Allow Remote Assistance Connection to this computer is selected, and here Remote Desktop. By default don't allow remote connection to this computer is selected. Just click on Allow Remote Desktop Connections to this computer, and if you want to allow connections for any user from any computer, just check here and then click on Apply and then click OK. Now remote desktop connection is enabled. Now I am going to check. Go to another computer. In search type remote desktop. Click on remote desktop connection. My remote PC IP address is here and also the username is here, or you can set the username from here after typing computer IP address or name and username. Then click on connect. Here type your password, then click on OK. This is the notification. Click on yes, and look, the remote computer is connected to my computer. This is the easy way to connect remote computer in Windows 10. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.